So please welcome the stage, Anina Group of Companies. So please give a huge round of applause, everyone. Anina Group of Companies operates a state-of-the-art diagnostic center at the Hei-Ha Cancer Hospital, providing advanced healthcare services in Manipur. After this, we will felicitating Island Hospital, Kuptre. With a huge round of applause, please welcome Island Hospital, Kuptre. Island Hospital, Kuptre provides quality healthcare services with modern facilities and compassionate care. So please give a huge round of applause, everyone. Extramarks Technologies Private Limited. Extramarks is a global educational technology company. So please welcome on stage Extramarks Technologies Private Limited. Founded in 2007, providing AI-powered digital learning solution, content, and platform for K-12 student schools and test prepare G&E. So here with our six Extramarks Technologies Private Limited. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone. After that, we will consider Medland Dental Multi-Specialty Dental Hospital and Medland Eye Care. So please welcome on stage Medland Dental Multi-Specialty Dental Hospital and Medland Eye Care. Medland Multi-Specialty Dental Hospital provides advanced dental care with a focus on patient comfort. Here we have Medland Dental Multi-Specialty Dental Hospital and Medland Eye Care. Next, we felicitate Caesar Hospital and Research Institute, Lahore. So please welcome on stage Caesar Hospital and Research Institute, Lahore. Caesar Hospital and Research Institute, Lahore is a leading healthcare center in Manipur, offering advanced medical services and patient-centered care. With modern facilities and expert doctors, is committed to excellent treatment, research, and community health. So we have here Caesar Hospital and Research Institute, Lahore. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone. After this, we will felicitating 10 bells. For the sponsor of the 2026, 10 bells. Please welcome on stage with a huge round of applause, everyone. Candidates offers a wide range of styles, durable and constant bags for every use of travel. We focus on quality, craftsmanship, bags designed to the needs of modern lifestyle. After this, we like to present Hangzhou Agro Industries Private Limited. Hangzhou Agro Industries Private Limited. Please welcome Hangzhou Agro Industries Private Limited with a huge round of applause. Hangzhou Agro Industries Private Limited is a leading agricultural company in Manipur, specializing in high quality food products and sustainable food production. After this, we will consider SS Career Solution. So please welcome on stage SS Career Solution. With a huge round of applause, please welcome SS Career Solution. SS Career Solution provides expert guidance and training to our students and get us assessments achieved with career goals. This will basically Biophoto Institute. So please welcome the stage Biophoto Institute. Biophoto work as cross-mortals for training for leads and achieve producing numerous couples for the past week. Then we have the Biophoto orchestra along the sun. So please.
Battery outray 35% rồi.
After this, we will tell you Mangal Bukhar. Mangal Bukhar. So please welcome with a huge round of applause, everyone. Mangal Bukhar. So please welcome on stage ISO Love. ISO Love. News and media channel providing real-time updates, events, and public interest stories. With a huge round of applause, everyone, this is ISO Live. Next, we will invite on the stage Anina partner. TV. So please welcome on stage Live TV. Well, seats Live TV.
Live stream net yadre che venue do je la ngi. Lao, ai nama lao pham lo.
Never overseas, Mr. Jake Momo. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone. And last but not least, ISTV Network. So please welcome on stage ISTV Network.
Tung dia mau throw yang hai mau throw sih. Ôi trời ơi, bên đây. Net sampai yang mana ni?
ISTV Network is a television network offering news, current affairs, and informative programs. So everyone, please give a huge round of applause for all our sponsors. Thank you very much, sir, for being on. For this, we have come to the end of the presentation. Now, we'll move towards the second round, that is the transition round. So I would like to hand over the mic to our co-host, Lori Harper.
So once again, welcome everyone on the second round, that is the traditional round of Miss Teen Edgecombe 2026. round, the ladies are rolling around with vibrant colors of attire, with pure elegance and confidence. With this, the showtime